During the Buyera Central Constituency victory celebrations over the weekend, ZANU-PF National Chairperson Upam Chinguri urged the party leadership and members to prioritize unity, warning that internal divisions were threatening the realization of Vision 2030. Sadabina mashoko kubuda panguva ino yachikunzi Upam Chinguri has admitted that infighting is tearing ZANU-PF apart. Not subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipita mzimu ai omudanyira chiti. The party must remain cohesive if we are to consolidate our gains and achieve the goals of Vision 2030, she said, addressing the crowd in Buhera. Muchinguri Kashiri also encouraged party members to contribute to national development through productive economic activities. She highlighted agriculture as a key sector, noting that Zimbabwe is emerging as a leading wheat exporter in the southern African region. The Constitution of Zimbabwe can be amended at any time. Do not be misled by those without a proper understanding, Muchingiri Kashiri added, emphasizing the need for informed participation in governance. Her remarks came amid growing concerns over factionalism within ZANU-PF, which she acknowledged is undermining the party's effectiveness and cohesion. Doma developments ari kuda panguva ine ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa even wanaopa Muchinguri they are seeing kuti as they are pushing for my amendments kuti panguva ine akwanise kupasiwa, they really know kuti pane chaos iripo mu the ruling party ZANU-PF infighting, mafactional wars ari aligned aiwa kuma top leaders pamwe chete nemawar veterans. Panguva ino they are trying to convince supporters kuti vasava actively involved in those issues, yet they know kuti chokwadi vanhu vari kuchiziva kuti what they are trying to do hazvidiwi nevanhu. Vanakomesa kuchemenudzwa funguro imi kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.